Woodbrier Estates, gently rolling 5-acre lot offers a park-like setting, 2 acres open, 3 wooded with plenty of wildlife. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with kitchen and large dining area. Nice living room with large brick fireplace. A 1,000 square feet unfinished basement, 8 by 12 outbuilding, 8 by 8 chicken coop, 8 by 10 insulated shed with power and a lean-to shed, 10 by 16 and 10 by 22 both insulated building with electric. Plenty of room for garden, pets or play. This is a perfect opportunity for a great mini farm. Currently used as a dog boarding facility.